GoodSite moves into the heavy vehicle wash equipment market. Vehicle wash specialists, GoodSite Australia, now supply, install and service heavy vehicle wash equipment for trucks, trams and trains. Their range of heavy vehicle wash equipment includes stationary and drive-through machines, interior washing and disinfection equipment, jet washers, and under-chassis wash bays. Innovative water recycling and treatment systems make the equipment suitable for outdoor washing. State-of-the-art connectivity systems streamline and simplify fleet management. Importantly, GoodSite stocks a huge range of spare parts and chemical products specially designed for heavy vehicles. Their service technicians provide nationwide support and can repair existing equipment already installed. For new sites or facility upgrades, GoodSite can work with fleet owners and other agencies to develop equipment specific to their requirements. Learn more by visiting the website or call them directly.